Welcome back, it's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, I'm going to take all of you sexy people watching the channel right now do some charts as to why I think we're going to go up only pretty soon. As many of you can see, I'm on my journey to 10 million subs. So, if you want to help me on my journey to 10 million subs, please pause the video, click the button. Now let's get into it. Alright peeps, what is up? I missed all of you. I missed all of you very dearly. I needed to take some time off, guys. Sometimes we get a little bit too attached to the chart. I felt like I was getting sexually attracted to the chart. Okay, it's not good when you're sexually attracted to the charts. Bitcoin is at 106k. Ethereum is at 3.9k, nearly at 4k. And our altcoins have been seeing some red over the past 24 hours. Before I do show you all of the bullish charts, you're going to start to see things like this on the way, and CME gaps were a big thing that, you know, we covered in, well, on our way up here, but they don't always have to get filled, guys. Okay, so some people will be waiting for these like breakaway gaps, runaway gaps to come back and be filled. It doesn't mean they have to be filled. We're going to check our chart in a minute, but we've got support at like the 50-day moving average at around 88k, nearly 90k as of today, guys. Okay, since we're pushing higher. So people that do wait for these low prices, sometimes they get wrecked because they just don't pull the trigger and they keep waiting. But two gaps here, one at 79k, one at around, what is that, just under 100k. Then you've got an exhaustion gap at 160k. Is that going to be our next leg for Bitcoin? Well, it could be, but reason one why I'm expecting up only very, very soon is the Pi cycle top has never peaked below the Pi cycle top lines. And where are we, guys? We're still below the Pi cycle top lines. You can see here 2014 top, 2018 top, 2020 top, right? 2025. The top should be somewhere around 125, 130-ish K. Maybe we do start to pierce it and go a little bit higher than that. We can keep an eye on the Pi cycle top. But historically, it's been a very, very good indicator for all of us to be tracking. We've got a lot of data coming up now. We've got 1, 2, 3 cycles in the past. This will be our 4th cycle, which is going to be good because a lot of these charts are going to be invalidated by the 5th cycle, okay? And all of us need to be here to survive this cycle so that we can reallocate into the 5th cycle and make that life-changing wealth. Now, why am I not stressed about altcoins going down today? By the way, Merry Christmas. Let me know what you're doing for your Christmas. What Bitcoin's doing for its Christmas, hopefully, is rejecting from this 58, 59%-ish on Bitcoin dominance. Once it does start to have a rejection from here, that will be the true start of alt season. This little pussy move that we've just seen was the very, very, very beginning of the move, guys. So all of these gains that you saw in your alts, what you've seen like Ondo go from 80 cents to $2. You see an ICP go from, what was it, $7 to $15, right? It's nothing. We needed this retest of this trend line to then reject from it. And that is when the true violent pumps start to happen, guys. It's just that people start to get scared out of these. When Bitcoin does start to take dominance again, it starts to pump, altcoins don't move. Then a lot of the newbie retail investors, they get a little bit scared, they dump their bags, and then boom, altcoins pump, they have to play catch up. Altcoin season incoming. Then is history repeating itself. Cycle 1, 2, 3, or cycle 2, 3, 4, should I say. Look at 2016, look at 2020, and then look at where we are now, right? So we had a 50% breakout in 2016, bringing it from a $700 coin to a nearly $1,200 coin. In 2020, went from a 19k coin all the way to a nearly 45k coin. Now we're a 100k coin. Are we going to be going to a near 150, maybe beyond? You guys let me know what your targets are, but when you look at these breakouts looking very, very similar, up only is on the way. But for all of you guys who's wondering about your altcoins, look at Ethereum, look at the Ethereum chart. It is having a lovely retest of the breakout. This was resistance 1, 2, technically 3 times. It could now be flipping it into support, flipping this one. It's actually 4 times if you count over here, guys, right? So that's going to be very, very powerful. The first time it breaks, holds it as a support. A lot of buying pressure is going to be met here very soon. 4.6k to beat the all-time high, and then you've got the little wicks here as well. I think we're going to be going to like 5 to 6k very soon for Ethereum, and people will be in disbelief. Okay, I can already feel it. People are in disbelief. People are saying, why are my altcoins not moving? Well, guess what? So many altcoins have moved, and they are seriously up. For everyone who's late in the market, everyone, you know, some people, even if you're here in March, technically you got in late, right? You just got some more opportunities in the pullback. But everybody who's just entered the market now, which is a lot of people, guys, we were getting certain coins super low. I went to the casino on Saturday night. Was it Friday night? It's one of the nights. I think it was Saturday night. I went to the casino, and the bouncer come up to me and he said, yo bro, I just bought XRP. Look at XRP, guys. Look at XRP. My message to all of you: the retail is coming back. The retail are pretty much back. He just bought XRP. He said, is it a good investment? My friend told me it's going to go very, very high. I said to him, I was like, bro, like, we've been buying XRP from 40 to 50 cents in the bear market. This was 60 cents, okay, all the way here. But before, this thing was 40 to 50 cents, guys. We're already up 500%. I tried to explain that to him, and he said, yeah, but I think it could go to $10. And I was like, well, people like myself, people like some of the guys on the channel watching right now, they don't need it to go to $10. Majority of people have started taking profits now at $2.50. Probably take profit at $4 at the previous all-time high, way before $10. But these newbie retail are coming in now, and they're buying the pumping coins, okay? So when people say, you know, coins aren't moving, it's because they're buying up here, when a lot of us were buying down here. I showed you this one before, won't spend too much time on it, but do you think we're done here? We're experiencing something very similar to 2017, meaning it could be much wilder than 2021, this little rubbish bull run that you could call it. Guys, reaccumulation, a massive, what is that, nearly a 4-year reaccumulation. That is going to be very, very parabolic for our altcoins. You're seeing a lot of institutional adoption now as well. Different funds allocating into certain altcoins, guys. I don't think everything will go mega parabolic, but I think a few cherry picked ones will go mega parabolic. Going to catch out a lot of people up here. Say things like maybe XRP, say things like Ondo, Solana, whatever coins you see in, like, say maybe like some AI funds as well, right? Grayscale's AI funds, they might absolutely pump those to the moon. All the retail get trapped up here, bang, we all sell, and then they've got to endure another 5 years of correction. And look, we could just consolidate here for the rest of the year, guys, okay? It's definitely on the cards. Look what happened in 2021. We came up and we consolidated for about, what is that, 2 months, 8 weeks-ish, okay? And then we had our parabolic move up. People can't, they've got too much of a short-term mindset with cryptocurrency, guys, and they can't wait 2 months. They don't look at this as opportunity, and they don't look at the market and go, oh my God, so many coins are maybe only even up 100%. Some of like large cap coins are only up 100 or so %, which could be accumulated. If you want a list of all of my coins to be accumulating, go and join the members club. Prime time to be accumulating coins. You got to put time into the market, find out what is a good price before this leg up. But most people will only buy into these candles. Another reason why we are in the nearly only up phase. Total 2 macro chart. Isn't it remarkable how it repeats itself? Myself and the members club were laughing because so many YouTubers go, history doesn't repeat, but it often rhymes. Take a shot every time you hear that today, guys. But history doesn't repeat, it often rhymes. Look what happened in 2014 to 2018. Is it happening now, guys? Looks like we're starting to get into the overbought zone, which is when we start to see the most parabolic moves for our altcoin. Look, guys, Bitcoin's looking pretty good. This is one of my charts that we did cover on the channel a very long time ago. Who remembers the opportunity of a lifetime zone? Who's been here for the whole journey? Who made it to the end of the video? Let me know. Type in opportunity of a lifetime in the comments if you made it this far, so I know who watches till the end. 55k, I told you guys, right? I said here, opportunity of a lifetime zone. Long zone, 57 to 58k, right? We track these charts amazingly, and now look what we're seeing, guys. We've broken that 104k. The next target is going to be 120k. Now, I don't expect this to go just up only, okay, like straight away. If we have some chop, we come back down, retest 104k. Maybe we come back into this channel and we retest this yellow line again. That's absolutely fine. We've got the 50-day moving average underneath us at 90k now. This was 88k last week. I do think we're getting ready for Bitcoin to make its next move up to 120k. Maybe altcoins start to lag a little bit with altcoin dominance dropping off. Altcoin dominance does start to drop off, guys. We're going to see we're going to see a lot of big moves from our altcoins. There's a lot of money in Bitcoin now, guys. You can imagine this is going to start to trickle down into our alts. Ow! It's good to be back. If you've made it this far, support my journey to 10 million subs by smashing that like button and subscribing. Probably subscribe first, then smash the like button. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Peace.